This is for sale for $2 million. 25 South Star. All this brick needs to be pointed. So all this big old parking lot here. How many apartments is this? This is huge. This goes on and on, but you can walk to a supermarket right up here. There's a garage. Oh, dude. Garage. That's cool. And this is the supermarket right here. Huh. That's crazy. Look at all of this. Huh. Oh, yeah. It's pretty cool. Could change your life.